Okay, as you can see, the roof onto the valley flashing is lifted up, which causes the water from the huge slope of the roof to travel underneath. Push your foot on it. Hold it like that. Fuck, man.
Stuck.
Okay, I'm on the roof. As you can see, the amount of water that flows from this ridge cap going all the way down to the valley, as you can see at the bottom there, the valley is lifted up. So the force of water will travel up the valley on the opposing side. We are going to open up this section here just to properly analyze, but when we open up the one section, you can see on the joint underneath the actual area, which is around that section there, is water's already going up quite far up, maybe a good 150, 200 up. Okay, I have now opened up the ridge cap all the way to the top, and it's evident that there is water that has been trapped inside this area, which has caused the water to enter into the actual roof itself. As you can see over here, the membrane is completely perished, and as I run my finger on here, this is all wet here. Okay, as you can see, regarding the ridge cap flashing, how it's been installed along that side and that side. So you can imagine the rain and wind pushing the water up the roof and into the actual opening, and as it is, the membrane that's in the opening is torn, which is obviously causing water to find its way in. There's about 5 or 6 or 7 different cracks in different areas along this ridge cap.